my February Like Forever kit and I'm really excited. I will do another unboxing for you. I only opened the box and maybe I had a little peek, but I just opened it, so no spoils yet for me. So let's see what is inside. I did order an add-on this month, but I will tell you what the add-on was. This is how my box looks. In December we did a day by day on the subscription Facebook, and you could win some goodies. So I won the 23rd one, so I'm excited. I don't know what is in here, and the 30-day one, and I got oh, this is exciting. I like sprays. I got the Mr. Huey's Double Yellow. I have never used anything like this. I will put it up. I don't have any Mr. Huey's, so I don't know how they work. I'm excited. I will test them out, or test it out. I'm sorry, it's a bit late. I'm really tired because I'm really busy at the moment. So that was the day 30. And now for this one, let's see. I love the bag. I ripped it all apart now, but okay. I think I can still use it for layering. Oh. So let's see what is inside. Ooh, that's nice. There are flowers. They're pretty pink plush, and I think they're flower sequins. I think they're pretty. So that were my prizes. Then we go on to the kits. This is my add-on. It's the Chanel Little by Little collection. Does it ever say here? I believe it's Little by Little. It's the sticker book. Just look at how cute this bear is. So cute. And the stickers, Hello Joy. They're also from her collection. So they're black ones and white ones. And this was my add-on for this month. I've never done an add-on, so it was quite exciting. Then let's open this. Ooh, pretty, 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 pretty. Pretty. Okay, I will take everything out and then we can look at it together. So, take away the box. So, first we have the Chanel puffy stickers. Oh, please focus. Yay. Oh, yes. And they're cute icons and animals. I love this. It's pretty. Then we have some enamel dots. Always good with enamel dots. Then we have the Dear Lizzie. I believe this is Lovely Day. I'm not sure. Adhesive tags. So I like to use them. Oh, you can see them here. They're pretty with gold foil or rose gold. Yeah, rose gold. So I'm happy. Then, ooh, we got a Mawam this time. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. These are the Dear Lizzie die cut shapes from Lovely Day collection. I'm not sure. If I'm not right, please correct me, because I can't find the name of the collection. But this is what is inside. So that's pretty. And then I love these stickers. They're called Magic and they're with the dot and it's solid. So I really like these ones. Then we move on to the papers. As usual, we get sketch inspirations. And these are the sketches. So quick look. And then we go to the papers. This is, yes, I was right, Lovely Day. This is Dear Lizzie, Lovely Day. It's the front side. This is the back. Ooh, I love the back. I will use the back. Definitely use this one instead of this one. Yeah, this one. Definitely. Then we have another page from Dear Lizzie, Lovely Day. This one is called Chirp Chirp. So sorry, I forgot to mention the name. This one is called Lovely Day. And it's a beautiful floral. I will use this side. I'm sure about it. I love the watercolor look. And then a beautiful grid. And they're on the branding strip, they're foxes. Oh, I hope you focus, please. Focus, camera. Look how cute. They're all foxes. Then we have from the Dear Lizzie Lovely Day collection, You're So Cool. All the words. Those can be titles, so I really like that. And then a green with spots or dots or... I like that. Ooh, love this one. This is Chanel Little by Little collection and it's called Little Bit Lovely. I love this side. I really love this paper. When I saw it, I fell in love with it. So I will use this side. Oh, pink hearts. Pink hearts. Oh, but this will make it really difficult. Also really pretty. Then from Dear Lizzie Lovely Day, Up and Away. With all the balloons. On the back side we have a pretty watercolor ombre-ish effect with polka dots. So this is really pretty. I really love this side. Then we have Lovely Day and this paper is called Beep Beep. So it's almost all houses and cars. On the back side we have lovely triangle pattern. I love this. Pretty watercolor. And then we have from Dear Lizzie Lovely Day Pretty Posies. This is a tiny floral. And then this yellow on the back side. Then we have from Chanel Little by Little Grinning Badger. I hope I say this right. This is the cut apart sheet. So this is perfect for my project live. And the pear is here. And I love this, the feather. This is the back side. But I will use this one. Then we have from the Chanel Little by Little Bear Hug. And it's a rainbow color with a wood grain. And then these different patterned dots. Or how you call them. I like this paper. And there's purple. There's purple in here. So I like that. Then we got 3 cardstock, I believe. Yeah, we always get 3. These are the colors of cardstock we got. It doesn't say what brand, but perfect match with the kit. So this is, oh, I'm sorry, I was painting here before. So this is the kit this month. I'm really happy. I'm also happy with my day-by-day prices and the add-on. I think I will make some lovely pages with it. And I hope you enjoyed my video.